Hi traders, I hope you are doing great, and I hope that all our videos have been helpful and has been able to guide you rightly in trading. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so that anytime we post videos that will help you, guide you in your trading career, you will be notified, and then you can see these videos for you to get all the adequate informations that have been made available for you. Now, I've seen a lot of traders who have made a couple of mistakes with trading signals, and many times I've thought to myself, why not just do a video? And even in my very community, I've seen some traders that are either taking this signal or that signal, and they are mingling different kinds of signals. They take signal from this mentor, they take from the other mentor, they put it together, garnishing it together, and the outcome is not usually very good. And I thought, okay, let me do this video so that I can give a word of advice to those traders so that they can correct whatever errors they are making with signal. Now, the problem is not the signal, the problem is not the mentor, the problem is the way you trade the signal. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you should trade signals. So I would like you to watch this video till the end, and by the time you're done with this video, you would agree with me that you have fully understood how to trade signals correctly. And from now henceforth, when you trade signals, you find yourself making beautiful profits and making progress in trading. Okay, was in a typical trading group, and then a signal was posted as this, and suddenly someone who is in the group does not understand what it means. Now look at this. Okay, just watch what I'm about to show you so you can understand what I'm saying. And just watch this. Watch this. So that's the entry, and that's the take profits, and the stop loss is just around here. And this signal was posted something like this. Now this is an illustration on a group, and someone who is in a trading group, who wants to trade, who has funded his or her live account and willing to take a trade, is asking if this is a bullish signal or a bearish signal. Now this is why this video is very important, so that you can be able to differentiate between bullish and bearish. Let's start with this. Now you find some mentors with posts like this, and some would target like this and say, okay, this is their target profit and this is their stop loss. Now there's no labeling, and because there is no label, you might not outrightly just say, okay, this is what the mentor is saying. But there's something that is just a norm when it has to do with certain things. We as all traders understand that the red part is usually the loss side and the green part is usually the profit side. So automatically, if you're in any group and you see any mentor using this kind of color, the first thing your instinct will tell you is that he's referring to this part as the buy region and this part as probably the sell region. And so in this case, for a buy entry like this, then he's saying that this should be your stop loss and this side should be your take profit, just as this one that was not probably clearly understood. And if it's the inverse or the reverse, then it's also simple. So it simply just means that this should be the stop loss and this should be around the take profit zone. Okay, so that means if you're in a signal group and something is posted of this nature, maybe you just see a post like this, you're not wondering, oh, how do I take this? It's a simple thing. All you need to do is you need to know that this is your entry point, of which if you look at it, you will see the price. Okay, so if you look straight up to this point, you see the price, and it means that this is your take profit. If you look straight up, you see the price, and it means that this is your stop loss. If you look straight up, you see the price. That's simply what it means. So there are sometimes some mentors might post signals like this and they don't give you the figures. What do? You've been given a net to fish. Why not enter into the river, look for the fishes and begin to catch it? You can actually search for the figures yourself. You might not necessarily need to wait for mentors to do everything for you. There's some things you may need to do by yourself. Until you start doing by yourself, you too may not get to the level of becoming a mentor and then sending out signals to people. But if you want the mentor to do everything to you, then you are delaying yourself, from getting to that level where you have mastered everything that has to do with trading. All right, that's the first part I would love to, just let you know. But the second part I'd like to talk to you straight up is how the signals come. Different mentors have different way they send out the signals. Like for me, I'll say buy now. Okay, when I say buy now, what it means is that you can buy at the current price at which the market is selling. And sometimes we say buy and then there's a price. Let's say for EU there's a price, let's say 6958. okay, and then you see the stop loss and then you see the take profit. Most times I put the stop loss before the take profit. What this simply means is that when you get into your mobile device and you want to take the entry, you go straight to, now you might be using Trade Locker, you might be using MT4, MT5. It doesn't matter what trading platform you're using. Some of you are even using market exchanger like Bybit, Binance, and the other kinds that we have. All you just need to pay attention to, look out for where you have the entry point. The entry point is where you put this, okay, because it says buy at that point. Okay, sorry, this is a sell. Let me not confuse you. Let me just do a buy so that you can follow up through before someone says, oh, you are using a sell, to do the explanation. Let me just do it judiciously in a way that it will help someone. Okay, so this is simply what it means. So if this says buy at this point, it means that your buying point, which is here, must be imputed in the buy limit. Okay, the buy point. Okay, and then your stop loss, your SL is stop loss, just in case you don't know, and TP is take profit, in case you don't know. Limit here, which is your entry point, and your stop loss should be on the side where you see stop loss. So whatever figure is written on the SL, you put it there, and whatever figure is written on the TP, you put it there. So once that is done, now this is what you do. Allow the signal play out. Most times we are too quick to close up. That's why it's important what group you are. Now for those of you who are under my mentorship, in case you want to be part of my mentorship, then go to the description side of this video. You see our website, click on our website, and go straight to subscribing. Either you're joining the free channel for the free signal, or if you want the VIP. Now the VIP package gives you more signals than the free channel. You can go straight to the VIP mentorship plan. Select the plan that you think will be best for you. Is it 1 month? Is it 2 months? Is it whatever duration or timeline you're looking at? Click on it, choose the package you want, make payment, and simply come into our mentorship plan. Back to what I'm letting you know, there are some mentors that you can trust them. Like what I give you top-notch signals. Those of you who are on the VIP group, you can look on the website and see what our students and those enjoying this VIP package has to say. Our VIP signals are top-notch, our free signals are top-notch. Just that on the VIP channel we have more signals, on the free channel we have fewer signals. So when we take an entry, most times we hit take profits, and most times we hit stop loss. So but you see, the hitting, it's important. If you hit take profits, you hit stop loss, all you just need is to correct your risk to reward ratio to be at least 1 ratio, something more than the 1, and then you already know that when you hit stop loss, you hit take profits, the extra risk to reward will now be the increase in that account. So because of that, when you're taking a signal from our community, you make sure you allow the signal to flow. Let it go to either the stop loss or it goes to the take profit. Forget about all those breaking even or what have you. The only time we tend to do that is maybe peradventure there's an account you're trying to grow and it's going through some loss experience, and you don't want it to take some kind of losses. Between that, but the safety is in allowing the candles play out. That's why this video is very important, because I want to give you the basic secret that will help you grow that account. If you keep breaking even, let me let you know something. You are taking your stop loss in areas where the market needs to take out some people. Imagine entering this trade, let's say from this point, okay, and it starts to go, you move your stop loss. Okay, your stop loss is not hidden. I've done an exclusive video on how to hide your stop loss. You might need to see that video. Go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and make sure you see that video. It will help you. Now, your stop loss doesn't just go at certain area. There are certain places you cannot put stop loss, because once you put stop loss there, you become the liquidity, and the market needs to grab your liquidity as it did here before it begins to move. So you don't want to find yourself, hitting stop losses just like that. So to be safer, especially the fact that you are taking signal, those who take signal are probably those who are still learning, who are still yet to perfect the skill, because there's no one who is perfect in this thing who is a pro that takes signals. That's the secret you need to know. So in that case, because you are yet to perfect the skill, I'm giving you a candid advice: let the signal flow. Okay. Then the other thing you need to correct is the fact that you take one signal from one mentor, you go take another signal from another mentor. Now let me let you know this: there's such a thing as winning rates. Okay, such a thing and winning rates with regards to different entries. So for some mentors, they have 5 entries in a week, and sometimes their winning rate is 3. That means their losing rate is 2. For some mentors, they have maybe 7 entries in a week, and their winning rate is 2 and their losing rate is 5. Okay, it depends on the kind of mentor, but for us, we have high winning rate. Most times we take 4 entries in a week, and sometimes we just we win 3, and probably sometimes we lose just 1. Sometimes we take 4. Okay, you can try us out by subscribing to our VIP channel to see what I'm talking about. Now, what this winning rate would do is this. Let me just show you quickly. What it will do is it will ensure that when you take all the signal, the account will grow. Now, don't take one and decide not to take the other. Of taking one and deciding not to take the other is that when you take that one you're taking, it might just be the loss signal. Okay, and then the next entry which you have decided not to take, let me take it up. Okay, the next entry which you've decided not to take may just be what? The profit signal. Okay, so what happens is, if you take the loss signal and you decide, I don't want to take the next one because of the loss I got, you won't take the profit signal. And then when you see that it hits takes profit, you say, no, I should have taken it. You come, you take, and you hit another loss. You find out the account keeps going down. So when it comes to signal, this is it. This is a week, and you're planning to grow an account in 7 days. What you do is, on the first day of the week, take the signal. Make sure it is 1 signal per day. Stick to that. Stop over trading. Some of you want to take every signal, and see, let me tell you this: don't take every signal. Now, a mentor might be posting a signal on GU and EU at the same time. The best thing to do if you want the account to grow is you take the GU signal on one account. Don't take GU and EU in the same, because of the winning rate, because the EU winning rate can be different from the GU winning rate, and when you mingle it, you have messed up that account. So for me, most brokers give you opportunity to create several accounts under your personal account. So in that case, you can actually create an account, fund it, create a sub account, fund it, and you are taking, let's say, GU signal on 1, and you are taking EU signal on 2. And when you do it that way, I promise you that account would grow. And then the final thing as I round up this video is risk management. Just in case you want to learn about risk management, then you need to start the mentorship course, because I have a full course that I've done on risk management. I also have videos in case you're thinking, oh, I don't have money for your VIP mentorship, so how do I learn risk management? Don't worry, I got you covered. Check the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Check the channel. You will find a video I did on how to manage your losses. Okay, how to manage your losses, or how to manage your trade. Those 2 videos will help you correctly on risk management. All right, so quickly, let's move straight to what I'm about to tell you now. Another beautiful secret that will help you in trading signals. Now, you're taking a signal and you have not yet calculated your risk. That's bad. let's take for instance you are going to be taking the signal with $8,000. First of all, one thing you must know is what stop loss pips is your mentor using. Like I use 20 pips, and for 20 pips with your position calculator, it is simple to understand. What do? Simply, you go to your position calculator, like I always tell you. On your position calculator, you put the pips and you put what you're about to risk. And for me, let me let you know something. Once you're starting up, risk only 1% of your capital. So put 1% and put the number of pips that the mentor is giving. Then put the pair that the mentor is trading. Let's say Euro USD. You calculate it, and automatically you already see the standard lot you should use and what you should lose if it hits stop loss. And watch how profitable you're going to be. For this particular calculation per venture, if you hit stop loss, let's use this one, 5 to 3. Okay, let's say you hit the first stop loss. What it means is that you're going to lose what? What it means, you're going to lose what? $10. Let's say you hit the second stop loss. What it means is that you're going to lose $10. Then let's say you hit take profit 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. You're going to get what? 20. You hit take profit 20. You hit take profit 20. Okay, remember the first one here is 5 entries to 3 winning rates. So let's do that maths. It's simple. Quickly as we round up, let's do the maths. So this is 60, this is 20. 60 minus 20 gives you what? A whooping $40. And that means that is a very good way. $40, and that means that's a very good way to have managed that $1,000 account. Now don't be greedy, don't be in a hurry. Repeat that consecutively. Trading is about consistency and repeating the action, and you will find that you will be. Having seen the video, I trust that you've been able to understand some basic things, and through these basic things that you now know, I want you to go back to your trading. Pay attention to the various instructions. Make sure you do it right. Don't do it wrong. Do it right. Do it correctly. And come back to the comment section. Come back and tell me that this is the result you got having seen this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button as usual, so that when we post more videos, very informative and educative like this, you can be notified and you can take advantage of the video as early birds and get the results that you require. See you soon.